Good day everybody, this is going to be the first video of many on my new channel. Pretty much the point of it is to shoot guns, ride bikes, and pretty much reviews around those items. So yeah, today I'm going to take you guys to my mate's shooting range. We're going to go shoot my Glock. I'm very excited. Coming to you from Joburg, South Africa. It's going to be awesome. Glock 26, chambers clear. What can I say? This is a very subcompact type pistol. It's got a nice crisp break. Oh, it's just such a great little pistol, and from my point of view, it's exactly what I need from a carrying capacity point of view. Well, you know, to protect myself. So, especially in the South African conditions. I'm using a Glock 19 mag, and I'm using the Winchester rounds. It's still safe, the trigger's pulled, so it's all good. But I just wanted to show you guys what you can use it for. So it comes with a standard 10 round mag that's usually flush. There is also the 10 round mag that has got the little boot on it, and then I use a Glock 19 mag with the X grip on. This is just your standard see, Glock 19, and it just gives you a nice purchase on the handle. When I bought the pistol, I wanted that, you know, options of capacity that I would like to carry for a particular occasion. I usually carry this magazine and a spare mag on me, so at any given time I'm carrying about 30 rounds. This is a 15 round magazine. The one with the little boot on it is about 12 rounds, and the standard mag is 10 rounds. It's easy to clean, as you can see. Just pull back. I shot about 200 rounds on the weekend, so it's not 100% clean, but I will definitely clean this weekend. But you know, Glocks, they can go pretty much they can go pretty much a long time without cleaning, and they'll function just fine. Another thing that I like about this pistol, you get so many different holsters for it, but what I like specifically, I can now carry one up. I mean, if this was loaded, there's no way that I could just put this, you know, in my pants with this rope tied around my belt, and then whenever you need to rock and roll, it just comes off, and then you're ready to rock and roll. But obviously, if you're carrying one up, that's the way you got to carry it. So for now, load it. Now it's 100% loaded, perfectly safe, good to go. The standard Glock on the Taurus PT111G2. As you can see, it's clear there. It takes a 12 round mag, and we're just going to be doing some shooting with this today. Alright, the Taurus PT111 Millennium G2. Just shooting some reloads. Not too bad at all. Right, let's see if we can disarm this guy with a 15 rounder. think it's because I know my pistol better. My groupings are much more closer. This Glock 26 Gen 4 is mine, and this Taurus Millennium PT111G2 is my mum's. So she kindly let me use her pistol today. So this one does have a bit more recoil than normal, well, compared to the Glock 26. The Taurus PT111 is definitely a good little pistol. The reason why my mother chose this pistol was the fact that the Glock didn't have a safety. They're pretty much the same size, but the only difference is that this one has a safety. So as you draw and shoot, you got to get your thumb actions a bit better. This comes with a 12-round magazine. This comes with its standard 10-round magazine. You can use the Glock 19 magazine with the X grip, or you could use the same magazine, and then they actually put on a custom little boot on for you, which extends your magazine to 12 rounds, which is pretty cool. But I like the high capacity magazine. Taurus Millennium PT111 comes with a standard 12-round mag, and that's that. You can't really upgrade or de-upgrade or whatever the case is. See my shooting on top left circle. Let's see how I do. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Other than that, thanks guys. See you on the next one.